Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota RAV4 rear bumper, only ways. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. Gather tools and protect paint with tape and covers. Work deliberately, removing fasteners and clips in sequence, and support the bumper to avoid dropping it. Keep bolts organized and inspect clips for damage so reassembly is smooth and reliable. In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota RAV4 rear bumper, only ways. Begin by laying out your tools within reach and labeling fastener locations with tape. Remove floor mats and create a clear workspace behind the vehicle. Keep a friend nearby to help support the bumper if it's heavy or awkward. Check for hidden fasteners inside the wheel wells and trunk area before attempting to pull the bumper free. In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota RAV4 rear bumper, only ways. Quick recommendation: if your garage gets messy during projects, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles dust, debris, and pet hair with voice control and smart mapping. It's handy for post-work cleanup. It saves time so you can focus on repairs, not sweeping. If you like the suggestion, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota RAV4 rear bumper, only way. Start by removing all visible screws and trim pieces, then work the wheel well area and underbody fasteners. Have a helper hold the bumper as you disconnect wiring for sensors and lights. Once wiring is free, ease the bumper rearward while unhooking retention tabs. Do not twist or bend. Set the bumper on a soft surface and inspect mounting points for damage before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.